bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Babies react differently to soiled diapers during burping. Some fuss or seem uncomfortable because they notice the smell or wetness, while others stay calm and focus on burping. Changing the diaper right after burping often helps soothe your baby quickly, reducing fussiness and keeping them comfortable and clean.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.